Is Stremio add-ons not working properly, or you are getting no stream were found error message? If yes, then watch this video till the end because I am going to give you the best solution. The first step is to clear cache in Stremio app. So first of all, open Stremio. Then you need to go to the settings. You can see settings here. Just tap on this settings option. And after that, you need to go to this journal first option, and then you need to click on local storage. So scroll down a bit and you can see clear local storage. Just tap on this and it will clear local storage from your app in your system. And then you need to manually remove cache in your PC. So for this you need to first of all press Windows and R from your keyboard. Herein you need to tap percentage appdata percentage and open this. Herein look for the Stremio folder. So open this Stremio folder, and after opening this Stremio folder you need to navigate to Stremio server folder. So this is a Stremio server folder. Just open this, and you can see Stremio cache is showing here. So you need to delete everything in Stremio cache, or you can delete everything. You can select all and you can simply right click and click on this delete button and delete everything in this Stremio server folder. Make sure that you need to now open Stremio as an administrator. So look for Stremio app in your system and right click here and click on run as administrator. The next step is to configure community add-ons. For this you need to go to this add-ons plus puzzle option. There it is showing add-ons. Just tap on this add-ons option. There is a tab of community add-on. You just need to tap on this. Then you need to properly configure the add-on. You can see if any specific add-on is causing this issue, then you need to click on this configure option. Just tap on this configure option in front of the specific add-on in which you are facing the issue. Make sure to follow on-screen instructions to complete this process. It may redirect you to a web browser, your default web browser, and then you need to follow all the instructions. So you need to also update and reinstall add-on. If you are facing, you can go to my add-ons, and herein if you are facing any problem with any add-on, I would suggest you to simply uninstall that add-on, and from here uninstall and then reinstall it once again. It will install the latest updates as well for that add-on. Also, I will request you to remove unnecessary add-on. For example, if you are not using any specific add-on, so you just need to uninstall it and uninstall, because it may add a lot of load on your Streamio app. So unnecessary apps which you are not using, just uninstall them. You can also use any VPN, because VPN may solve this issue. Maybe specific IP is causing this issue. You can use free VPNs like Proton VPN, or you can go for any other free VPN like Urban VPN, or you can choose any other VPN which is free of cost. Change your IP address and see whether this may solve this issue. After following all these steps, make sure to restart your PC and then again log in back to your Streamio app and then see whether you are facing this error or not, because it is solved issue for me. And in case you still face any problem, you can mention it in the comment section. I'll make sure to give a reply. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos.